Today I'm going to show you how to make this poster design in Canva. Go to Canva and click create a design, type flyer, click in the background, change the color to black, go to apps and type frame maker, choose this one, scroll down, choose the second shape, this one, and shape it like this. Add to design, and make another shape, add to design, make it suitable with this one, and count the same points from the another side. Add to design, select all, and resize. And you can upload your own images. We are just going to use this one. Let's drag this one in the middle. Let's make this one in the right side. Double click inside the frame and you can drag it as you want, and you can resize it as well. And let's make the third one in the left side. Click on the frame, edit image, go to Due Tune, choose this blue style, click in the second one, Due Tune, let's choose this one, the third one, and click again in the first one, edit image, go to apps, and go to screen, click half tone, and click save. Make the same effect, click save. Click in the any frame, edit image, magic grab, and select the person and click grab. Click in the next one, edit image, magic grab, and select the person, click grab. Go to elements and type neon curve graphics. Let's use this one, rotate it, go to elements, Go to shapes and choose this circle and shape it like this. Change the color to black and try to make it suitable with this curve. Go to layers and send backward. And now go to apps and type craft. Type your text. Let's change the font to Anton. Change the color to white. And shape it like this. Add element to design. And you can adjust it as you want. Update element. Go to elements again. Type cloud. And you can use this kind of clouds. And you can type your texts here as you want. And for the second poster, you can create these frames by using the same app. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.